Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all in same page on ongoing civil justice. Sign off is all up for Pope Francis, the Lucifer, the Satan, the Antichrist, created tax mandate, COVID 19 federal tax mandate, $1 trillion error, and it is the deadliest crime. Only in true Christianity, and it's according to the Holy Bible, it is absolutely crime. So, ongoing civil closure sign off processes. As of January 29th of 2021, or as of January 30th of 2021, when Pope Francis the Antichrist created COVID 19 arranged marriage is healthiest, there must never be any federal tax mandate $1 trillion error in United States of America and all nations worldwide. As of January 30th of 2021, when Pope Francis the Antichrist created COVID 19 forced arranged marriage is healthiest, there must never be any federal tax mandate $1 trillion error in United States of America and all nations worldwide. As of January 29th of 2021, when Pope Francis the Antichrist created COVID 19 child marriage is healthiest, there must never be for federal tax mandate $1 trillion error in United States of America and all nations worldwide. As of January 30th of 2021, when Pope Francis the Antichrist created COVID 19 LGBTQ marriage is healthiest, then there must never be any federal tax mandate $1 trillion error in United States of America and all nations worldwide. As of January 30th of 2021, when Pope Francis the Antichrist created COVID 19 domestic partners living together out of wedlock or getting pregnant out of wedlock marriage is healthiest, then there must never be any federal tax mandate $1 trillion error in United States of America and all nations worldwide. As of January 30th of 2021, when Pope Francis the Antichrist created COVID 19 polygamy marriage is healthiest, then there must never be any federal tax mandate $1 trillion error in United States of America and in all nations worldwide. As of January 29th of 2021, when Pope Francis the Antichrist created COVID 19 love marriage is healthiest, then there must never be any federal tax $1 trillion errors in United States of America and all in and across all nations across the globe. So basic birthrights level, self-esteem all destroyed, stripped off from all civilians worldwide, one way or the other, in any variations of Vatican created code of abuse, tax mandate, satanic law is the harshest reality. And nobody left out in the Pope Francis created, mandated 666 mark of the beast scandal. And yes, I am going to get civil justice for total 7.9 plus billions of human population fallen in trap of Vatican scandal in 666 mark of the beast process mode, model of code of abuse law, tax mandate law, and mandated and enforced to live with emotional torture for entire human kingdom by polluting the human kingdom without the awareness of the civilians is the deadliest crime. And nations must never collect tax of any forms from the population. And because Pope Francis is Satan, only created any federal tax mandate $1 trillion error of toxins to be injected to the human population using 666 mark of the beast is proved. And Queen Elizabeth II is Satan is proved. And faces of Pope Francis are Satan's is proved. And all nations should never have any criminal justice is proved. And error of department justice is proved. And so, divorce process for any available Pope Francis created COVID 19 marriage types population should be annulled, classified as a dissolution of invalid, disqualified marriage for Satan. Pope Francis only created all the COVID 19 marriage types for tax mandate law. And out of total 7.9 plus billions of humans, always forever, total male population is innocent and total female population double innocent always. And that is why in true Christianity alone, biological moms alone have highest impasse, meaning highest eligibility to have sole child custody according to the Holy Bible guidelines. And always forever, biological moms and or surrogate rental womb service providers worldwide alone must get sole child custody in divorce process as in Holy Bible guidelines. And President Joe Biden must resign immediate for fatal negligence. And I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Vatican leader now. And I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations now. And for I display $1 trillion errors of wrongful hell mandate Pope Francis created hell divorce process, I can bail out I, Vedapriya, can bail a Department of Child and Families later when I become the medical director for all nations. So, prosecution, crucifixion, enforced to humans in different versions. So, can you all see how innocent civilians enforced to look at fault mode when innocent, and Pope Francis created all hell always look godly, holy, holy, holy highness republica, God of USA, and why and why nations population without any awareness only worships deadliest antichrist is God and is $1 trillion scandal. And yes, I am the mouthpiece for the entire 7.9 plus billions of humans population slaughtered and butchered, and also became poverty because of this federal tax mandate scandal and because of the state mandate scandal, and created extreme exponential financial stress, right? And out of how many people became died because of the financial stress alone. So these hell after hell was created only by Pope Francis. So either Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer should say what is federal tax mandate $1 trillion he knows, or of toxins created by Pope Francis to be injected to the 7.9 plus billions of humans, or Pope Francis should say, don't know what is federal tax mandate $1 trillion error of toxins and don't know who are 7.9 plus billions of humans in the earth. Either ways, we won the case on ongoing civil justice for medical finance compensation of $500,000 trillion to be paid to each civilian times 7.9 billions of humans. So can you all understand how emotional level, feelings level, Pope Francis, absolute monarchs, Queen of England, Elizabeth II, just destroyed anything of humanity worldwide, all for fanatic love of crown alone? And absolute monarchs do not have any birthright to enforce COVID-19 tax mandate, code of abuse, Holocaust, Nazism mandate law to innocent 7.9 plus billions of humans worldwide, to destroy brain nerves and enforce human brain damages worldwide. And there is no other crime that is deadliest category than to enforce tax mandate, COVID-19, Holocaust, Nazism, code of abuse mandate laws, and federal tax mandate to the fellow mankind, and stripping of birthrights and self-esteem of civilians by enforcement, and to enforce and mandate male human operating system and female human operating system to be enforced to be malfunctioned by Vatican code of abuse law scandal, tax mandate, federal tax mandate, and pain inflicted on human brain nerves enforced with exponentially increased on innocent 7.9 billions of humans worldwide by enforcement, and that is absolutely wrong. So how precious lives of human civilians destroyed without awareness? In the disease life cycle, always disease creators is at fault and never innocent. So for destroyed holy marriage law and destroyed human lives by destroying human brain nerve cells mode, it is absolute monarch Satans must pay $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans. So I, Vedapriya, proved Vatican Jesuits leader Pope Francis, Satan, Antichrist created created a federal tax mandate to drink the human blood as in the form of tax, and that is deadliest crime. And that is why USA, United States of America, is handcuffed mode, because it's found USA is found guilty at fault in on all counts of crimes of Vatican. And yes, USA got all the curses from the crime of Vatican. So Pope Francis must resign now, and I, Vedapriya, become Vatican leader now is a civil justice served. I should only lead enterprises, software design, architect solutions for entire software world. So you all got correct education. How President Joe Biden will resign in next 1 second is because Queen Elizabeth II only created federal tax mandate, and Pope Francis only created federal tax mandate, and by default President Joe Biden also created federal tax mandate, and that is deadliest crime, to collect tax from civilians. Never ever in true Christianity a nation does not have any birthright to collect tax of any form from the population. And entire Democrat government will just faint and pass out just by being aware of why USA is handcuffed mode. I want to convey, I, Vedapriya, eradicated COVID-19 plague as of January 25th of 2021, and it can help me when USA government pays me tax-free $1 billion using direct deposit, can help me to take care of my basic essentials. Please, USA government, please understand my finance crisis. Help me and prevent homeless for me, and so that I could take care of my basic essentials. I'm also displaying how and why and exactly the federal tax process and the state tax process is a scandal of Pope Francis. and it's a $0 crime, zero tolerance crime. So then Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer created tax mandate COVID-19 type of a federal tax mandate and COVID-19 type of state tax mandate, and those are all the deadliest crime. So civil justice as of today is, according to Holy Bible guidelines, is Pope Francis should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to civilians time, each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever, and Pope Francis must resign now, and President Joe Biden must resign now. Then I, Vedapriya, become Vatican leader now with salary of tax-free $250,000 per annum with benefits. Then I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge and Supreme Chief Civil Family Law Judge across the globe for all nations now. And I, Vedapriya, become Global Poverty Relief Medical Chief Director for all nations to lead Medical Services Center for Disease Control, World Health Organization. Then I, Vedapriya, native Indian tribe, Israelite Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of USA, should become the interim leader of USA now. And Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name. And then USA government should pay me tax-free $1 billion as a salary, for I eradicated COVID-19 plague fastest than any robot, and I also displayed and proved how and why and exactly the federal tax process and state tax process in United States of America as of January 30th of 2021 is absolutely $1 trillion wrong and scandal. And it is a $0 crime, and it is a tax fraud provided by the absolute monarchs, and that is why medical compensation must be paid to the entire human kingdom. Okay, and then Pope Francis must get out of the earth and must get only in the volcano in Hawaii for mandated federal tax process and also state tax process. Okay, so whatever predicted by in the Holy Bible is only happening now. Civil justice wins always is a wisdom. I am that I am, born to save the world. So thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.